We're heading to Perisher Valley, and this time we took the Skitube. It's one of the most popular and convenient ways to get there, especially when you're traveling with a toddler like our Callie. The ride from Bullocks Flat to Perisher takes only around 10 minutes. Fast, easy, and stress-free. You can also drive directly to Perisher, but this time we chose convenience. Maybe next time we'll take the road. Here's the view when we arrived. We visited in August, and while there was still snow, it wasn't as thick. If you want that full snowy wonderland, we recommend going in July. Callie had a blast, and so did we, the oldies. It was a memorable family moment we'll never forget. We hope this video helps with your trip planning. Our mission? To discover and share family-friendly places around New South Wales, one adventure at a time.